när min identitet du gav mig life billar jag. Nu vill jag kunna ge tillbaka allt jag inte kunna ge förut. Det finns ingen annan där som kan stå här by my side, oh why. Sättet du rör på det får mig att dö för det big.
We're heading to Lucy today, Sue and I. We're going to Chukka Cove, Sandy Bay. This is in Lucy, and this is actually my first time going to any Chukka Cove location at all, so I'm super excited about that. You know, we got the deal from Gustavo's. If you don't know what Gustavo's is, Gustavo's it's a website that offers, you know, discounts and stuff to restaurants, hotels, etc., all the above, to local people, you know, us Jamaicans. Oh, and from a local people, if you guys don't know what Brata is, that you guys should also check them out. They do have like some awesome, you know, discounts going on. So if you guys have been viewing my channel, it's mostly food and travel, and you know, travel just brings joy to me, you know, going to different places that I've never been to in my country, discovering new places, finding secret spots that is popular, not popular, like that's me, and I do want to showcase and show you guys, you know, all of the fun places that you can go. And for my international viewers as well, like I know like some people just based on what they see in the marketing on television and the website, etc., it just shows all-inclusive hotels, and that's nothing wrong with that, but our island has so much more to offer. You know, Portland, you guys see that I've been to Portland so much times. Like Portland is my second home, and I will be doing in next year I will be doing things to do in Portland, places to go in Portland, because Portland is such a beautiful parish. Like it's awesome. They have so much nice rivers and beaches, so I definitely want to show you guys what Portland has to offer, and my entire island Jamaica, what we have to offer as well, and not only all-inclusive hotels. Like I'm not bashing the all-inclusive hotels, because going to all-inclusive hotels is what I live for. You know, going to hotel is what I live for. Like that's my definition of living is to, you know, go to different places that you have never been. You know, going to beaches and river for me is just like so peaceful and calm and serene, and what to expect on my channel. Like it's just all about traveling and showing you guys what my island Jamaica has to offer. So yeah, I'm gonna head out now, so I'll just check in with you guys when I get there. And if you guys haven't subscribers yet, I actually hit 400 subscribers last night. Like that is bomb. That is bomb. So yeah, so shout out to you guys, and appreciate you for clicking on this video. Hope you guys watch my video all the way to the end. If you have any comments, just, you know, you can just drop it down below. Oops, idiot. You can just drop it down below. And yeah, so see you guys there. This Mark X in front of me, bruh, with him scammer car. Oops, I did not say that.
I'm buzzing, let's drink up. You deaf look like big fun. Come on, let's get it on. Like that Marvin Gaye song. I'm stunning, you love it. Come on,
Here are some highlights of my weekend vlog to Chukka Cove and also Bamboo Beach. So like I had mentioned earlier, guys, with the Gustavo's deal I purchased, I did have access to the property and also free access to the hammock zip line. I wasn't able to do the zip line because I did not have the proper shoes. I only walked with flip-flop. So basically, we just lounged out and chilled by the pool for the remaining time that we were there. So let's talk about food and drink. And I will be honest, guys. I understand that Chukka caters to tourists and that is their brand, but I honestly wish they would offer us locals a local rate, you know? So for example, $1 to a tourist is just $1, right? But for $1 US to Jamaicans, us locals, that is around $150. So the cost for a soda at Chukka Cove is $4. That's literally almost $600 JMD. And the most I have ever paid for water, if I'm at an event or a bar, is $200 or $250. Beef patty is $700 GMP. Like guys, I literally did not purchase any food from the property. I just think it's just too expensive. It's way too expensive for us.
Are we, baby? The night is young, so let's have some fun. If you love me right, this could.
So guys, I would not even get into the cost of water, but just overall in general, I wish and I hope this is a consideration that Chukka Cove do provide rates for locals, so you know it will not be on the expensive side whenever we do visit their locations. I do want to give a shout out to the bartender. We did purchase a drink, so shout out to him. He knows himself. Hey guys, so we're still at Bamboo, but we're gonna pack up and get ready to leave now. We're gonna head to Scotties just to get some food. I'm pretty sure at this hour, it's about 5 o'clock now, there's gonna be a long line at Scotties, but yeah, I actually prefer to just get some food there. You know, we're in Montego Bay, so the prices at most of the places that you go, it's in US dollars, and currently the US rate is at 156, and at Bamboo now the exchange rate is at 150, they told us. So yeah, I'm not about that life. Like, yeah, I want to, you know, we're at tourist place, but I'm not gonna overspend, so I think I'm just gonna chill out at Scotties and get some food. Watch my insect flying. Yeah, so but Bamboo was definitely a vibe. It's just really chill and quiet. So I'm here just watching the sunset. Yeah, it's pretty good. So I'll definitely see you guys at Scotches. Well, I'm just gonna close my vlog here and appreciate you guys for watching. And yeah, overall the day was awesome. We have a 3-hour ride back to Kingston, but you know, I don't mind that. Like, if you want adventures and you want to go out to places that are fun and etc., you gotta go out of town. So yeah, I'll see you guys later, and thanks for watching. Watch the line. This camera looks awful. So people, I'm at Scotties.
Hey,
And
we're done with country life. Enough for me.
for a festival, it's $100 for one festival. $100 for one festival. I'm sorry, I'm just baffled. I can't. Are you hearing me?
Expensive for me.
Poor video. My poor phone, I should say.